bands like Paramore, Billy Talent, or Green Day made alternative rock extraordinarily popular in the 2000s. Let's check out this genre's characteristic drum sound. Alternative rock is mainly driven by guitar riffs and a steady groove. In order to cut through the mix, the drum sound has to feature certain qualities. The first thing that sticks out are the small and bright cymbals the drummer usually uses. Brilliant cymbals feature enough high frequencies to stay present, even if the music is full of loud and distorted guitars, while not interfering with the frequency range of the vocals. In order to make the snare drum cut through the mix, we decided to use metal snare drums with some nice overtones. These overtones help the snare blend in perfectly with guitars and other instruments while still supporting the drum's attack. Attack in general is something very important in this style of music. Clear drum heads on toms and bass drum help to make the drum hits stand out. We recommend to use double ply heads on the toms and a pre-dampened head on the bass drum. Those work great with lower tuning and give you just the right amount of overtones. For the characteristic very direct bass drum sound, also make sure to use a reso head with a hole and some muffling to shorten the tone of the bass drum. The most common set configuration used by alternative rock bands is a 4-piece kit with 12 and 16-inch toms, a 22-inch bass drum, and a 14-inch snare. We used a Sonor ProLite kit which matches those configurations, with a 14 by 6.5-inch Yamaha copper snare. This one works perfectly. You might have noticed that the drum head we used on the snare drum features a reverse dot. Durable drum heads like the remote-controlled sound withstand the hard hits found in rock drumming longer than regular ones. Also, being a single-ply drum head, it still creates enough overtones to cut through. Now let's find out if we can achieve a similar sound if we use a completely different shell configuration. We fitted a Yamaha Stage custom bop set with an 18-inch kick drum and 12 and 14-inch toms with the same drum heads. The snare we used here is a 14 by 5-inch Gretsch chrome over brass model with a Remo Ambassador X14 drum head. This special version of the Ambassador head features a thicker 14mm film, giving you more durability. It's impressive how huge even a small kit like this can sound. Beside the drums themselves, miking and mixing have a huge share in the overall sound. Alternative rock drums usually sound huge, but not really natural. This highly produced drum sound became a trademark for modern rock music. Now let's see if a drum kit with larger shells also works with this kind of music. We used a kit with a 26-inch former marching kick drum and 13 and 16-inch toms. The toms are fitted with Emperor smooth white drum heads that feature a special coating. That smooth coating combines the attack of a clear drum head with the warmth of regular coated ones. The Latin percussion snare we used in this kit has a 14 by 8.5-inch steel shell, which provides lots of overtones and body. All of those 3 kits work great with the music while still having different qualities. Which one do you like the most? Make sure to let us know down in the comments, and go ahead and try to achieve a similar sound with your own kit.